Stay till the end. There's a quick quiz waiting for you. Let's begin.
bread,
le pain,
rice,
le riz,
pasta,
les pâtes,
flour,
la farine,
salt,
le sel,
sugar,
le sucre,
oil,
l'huile,
butter,
le beurre,
honey,
le miel,
jam,
la confiture,
vinegar,
le vinaigre,
yogurt,
le yaourt,
broth,
le bouillon,
yeast,
la levure,
Quiz time. What is the French word for honey?
le miel,
In French, bread is called
le pain,
What does confitude mean?
jam,
What is the French word for broth?
le bouillon,
French word for salt?
le sel,
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Let's see who got 100% correct answers.